Hi everyone, and welcome to Sociology 210, Introduction to Sociology. My name is Dr. Danny Hamrick, and I'll be the instructor for this course, and I'm really excited to get to know each of you over the course of the semester and to share with you a little bit about sociology. This video is just a really short introduction to let you know a little bit about myself and my background, and you will be posting on the online portal a little bit about yourself so I can get to know you as well. So I am originally from Shelby, North Carolina, which is a small town about 40 miles east of Charlotte. I'm a Shelby High School graduate, go Lions, and you can see in the front picture, the top picture there, a picture of the historic courthouse from Shelby, which is now a museum for a famous musician from there. After high school, went to Wake Forest University, where I studied Spanish literature and global trade and commerce, and then hopped over to Raleigh to go to NC State, where I first got a master's in international studies, and then I got a PhD in sociology, where I really focused on international development. And the thing I really love about sociology is how diverse a field it is. So you have people who study families, people who study sports, people who study schools, people like me who study global issues. And really there's a diverse array of interests and ways to study topics and talk about topics and explore them, and that's really one of the things that I like most about this. And you'll see throughout the course of the semester just how broad a field it really is. So when I'm not teaching at Nash, I work at Duke University, where I am a research analyst who surprisingly works in international development. Since coming to Duke in 2014, I have worked in over 15 nations. You can see a few pictures there of different places that I've worked at. These are in Russia, Morocco, and Ecuador. And I work for a variety of clients who contract through Duke for us to do studies. I've worked for the U.S. government, both the U.S. Department of Agriculture and the Department of Defense. I've also worked for the Organization of American States, which is a grouping of country governments on the American continents who come together to try to foster collaboration and cooperation. And then also have worked for the World Bank, which is a bank funded by country governments across the world who fund development projects in countries, looking at infrastructure, private sector development, among other topics. So I really have this global perspective that I'll bring to the classroom, and oftentimes when we're discussing things, I will supplement with my own experience in the field in different places, and I hope that you will also supplement with your own personal understandings of the course material. It makes it more fun for all of us. I'm very excited to work again with you all again. If you have any questions throughout the course of the semester, please don't hesitate to reach out via email. I try to respond to all emails within 2 business days. And if that's not working out, we can always schedule a time to chat via Google Hangouts or Skype or phone if there's something that's a little bit more complex. So again, welcome to Soc 210, and it's going to be a great semester. See you all soon.